so they're really cracking on now. They've got two loaders on the clamp now, and that's the first time I've ever seen this in 30 years of watching silage making here. We've never had two loaders on the clamp before, but there is a panic. The weather forecast is blooming awful, and I think Chris is struggling with the JCB on the left hand side, the 414, to keep up the loads that are coming in and roll the clamp. So the other sort of telehandler is rolling the clamp now. So we're really going for it. But I might stay and watch this a little bit longer because it's quite interesting to see two of them at work. So on the right hand side he's rolling up and down. And we can see the model number on there. What number is that? That's a JCB 531. He's busy, he's rolling up and down, no fork, and then we pan across and the 414 is really going for it. The JCB 414S is pushing it up. We've got 1.5 fields left to do. I'm sure they'll get this in before dark. Of course, there's a thing about the dew coming up, we don't want too much dew on it. But the weather is the big issue, and it doesn't look that bad at the moment, but the thing is the forecast is just terrible. I'll visit this again tomorrow in the morning and see whether it's all wet. I think I've done enough video of the silage making for 1 year, and I'm going to leave them to it now. I'm off to have my tea, and tomorrow morning I'll do a little recap, see how we've got on. In the meantime, I'll leave these two JCBs hard at it. So there we have it, one full clamp, and we're just going to put the sheet on now. That's it then, we got the sheet on last night in the end, and a few tyres and bales on there. Well, we're going to stack those up in the next few weeks to cover the whole sheet, but it was just as well we did. We had a lot of rain last night. You can probably see the ground's quite wet there, puddles in the ground. So thank goodness we got the silage made when we did. There we go, look at that, dry as a bone yesterday, nice big puddle today. Wouldn't have been good harvesting grass in the rain. So that's our silage made for another year.